the current sitting member of parliament, Angwenyi. Angwenyi has planted people in the constituency. He's a campaigner, going around with fabricated information, propaganda, that is meddling around the constituency. Specifically, I can name about 4 people. One is called James Atandi. James Atandi happens to be an officer with the Kisii County government. They call him a principal culture officer. This young man, I'm told, I'm not sure myself, that he contested in 2013. I'm not sure, but he's alleging that he contested in 2013, and then in the process, he withdrew his candidate. Then 2017, he did the same. That means he was not confident of himself. He was not ready. He was just maybe he wanted a buy-off when he was doing that. That's my assumption. So this young man, the other day, the previous week, I think, it's about a week ago, the week of, today is what? The Saturday of the last week, that was on when? On 14th. There was an arambe at a place called Ragogo. Ragogo, it's under Entanda district of the PHE church. So there was an arambe that was arranged by the church, and they had guests from their headquarters. Their PHE headquarters, and there were many guests. There were aspirants there, like Chris Ogure was there, Jimmy Angwenyi was there, myself, Mingo Magara was there, and there was also a women rep aspirant called Paris Serigo, and it had a lady from Ribari, what do you call her? I can't remember her name. So when we were in that arambe, then the master of ceremony, who is the advisor of the governor, called Stephen Yarambi, they managed to call this young man called Atandi after I had spoken, to come and contradict and also peddle some propaganda before that audience. So when I spoke and finished my my speech, then he called him after that, and which was irregular, because that fellow did not have any portfolio and nothing, because after me, it was supposed to be the area member of parliament.